Entrepreneurs are a special breed, driven, passionate, and always striving for something more. But the journey can be isolating. We face unique challenges and constant pressure to innovate. What if we navigated these complexities together? This is where the power of a mastermind group comes in, a space to share visions, brainstorm, and receive support. Celebrate successes and lift each other up during challenges. A mastermind group can propel your journey to new heights. Harness collective wisdom to achieve more together. Turn challenges into opportunities and dreams into reality. A mastermind group is more than just a networking event or a casual coffee meetup. It's a curated group with a shared purpose to support each other's growth and achieve success. Think of it as a think tank for your business and life. This diversity makes a mastermind group powerful. Gain insights, challenge assumptions, and discover innovative solutions. It's a safe space to share vulnerabilities, celebrate wins, and receive encouragement when needed. Show up consistently, listen, contribute, and hold each other accountable for goals. The foundation of any successful mastermind group lies in its members. Choosing the right people to share this journey with is crucial. Seek out individuals who are driven and ambitious. Look for people who are as passionate about their endeavors as you are about yours. A mastermind group should be a source of encouragement and inspiration, so positive and supportive members are key. Also, find those who are open-minded and willing to learn. The best members are eager to share their knowledge and learn from others. Start by reaching out to your network. Do you know other entrepreneurs who might be interested in joining a mastermind group? Attend industry events, connect with people online, and don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Keep the group size manageable, ideally between 4 to 6 members. This allows for meaningful connections and ensures everyone has a chance to contribute. Remember, building a strong mastermind group is about quality, not quantity. Section 4. Setting the stage: goals, structure, and accountability. Once you've assembled your tribe, it's time to set the stage for success. This involves defining clear goals. What do you want to achieve as a group? Establish specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound or SMART goals. Creating a structure for meetings. Decide on the frequency, duration, and format of your meetings. Will you meet in person or virtually? Will there be a rotating facilitator? Establishing accountability. Hold each other accountable for taking action towards your goals. This could involve setting deadlines, sharing progress updates, and providing constructive feedback. Consider incorporating icebreakers, brainstorming exercises, or guest speakers to keep your meetings engaging and productive. The key is to create a structured yet flexible environment that fosters open communication and collaboration. Section 5. Nurturing success, trust, communication, and commitment. A mastermind group is not a quick fix. It requires ongoing commitment, open communication, and a strong foundation of trust. Here are some tips to ensure its long-term success. Foster trust and vulnerability. Encourage members to share their challenges, fears, and successes openly. Prioritize active listening and respectful communication. Create a space where everyone feels heard and respected. Maintain consistent communication. Regularly check in with each other outside of meetings to offer support, share resources, and celebrate milestones. Remember, the success of your mastermind group depends on the active participation and commitment of every member. By fostering a culture of trust, support, and accountability, you'll create a powerful force for growth and achievement. Section 6. Unleash your potential. Take the leap. The journey of an entrepreneur can be challenging, but it doesn't have to be a solitary one. By joining or creating a mastermind group, you're tapping into a wellspring of support, inspiration, and collective wisdom that can propel you to new heights. Don't underestimate the transformative power of connecting with like-minded individuals who understand your aspirations and challenges. Take that first step today. Reach out to your network, explore online communities, and embrace the opportunity to learn, grow, and achieve together. The journey awaits. Take the leap and unlock the incredible potential that lies within you and your future mastermind group.